Alright traders, welcome to the A+ Trading Hub channel again, YouTube channel, and we'll be doing a little bit of forecast today. This month's forecast is a bit late because we had running trades from last month still going, so you have to proper manage your risk, so you don't just need to be trading up and down. So we needed our trades to we close some in profits before we take new trades, and since the setups were still valid, the market structure was still valid, we had to continue trading the previous setups for last month. And so this month, first of all, let's continue. Let's do a review. First we start with the GBP JPY. If you can remember, months before last we were bearish on this pair, and as you can see now, the pair has reached the final destination, which is this support zone here at 140.09. So I'm expecting a bullish impulse from this zone here, So as you can see right now, prices have started moving sideways and sidewaysly. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you realize that price is slowing down. So we may see a pullback, out of this. We may see a pullback, something like this, boom, then a continuation, then we have a continuation. Something like that may happen. Well, we're just waiting, but first of all, I'm waiting to see that impulse first. I'm waiting to see the impulse, the bullish impulse. Then if price corrects, I will now join the bullish trend. But right now, I'm just watching what price will do. So the next pair I'm going to do a review on is GBP AUD. Alright, here we were still bearish. This is what we had. We projected that price will keep coming down to this zone here, but right now price came to this point and did a pull and went to form a swing high, but it didn't happen. So I'm expecting price to still continue down here. Already you can see price have formed a double top here. This is a double top, and this is a neckline. If you go to the daily, you see that clearly. Go to the daily. That will be very clear on the daily. Alright, sit here. So this is the double top price have formed here, and this is the neckline here. So this is what I'm expecting from this pair for this in weeks to come. Maybe price come down here, do a little bit of consolidation and continue going down. So that's what I'm looking for at that pair. Then AUD NZD, still from month before last trade. AUD NZD, yeah, here we were bullish. here. We were buying this. Still remember, I posted this on our Facebook page and in Facebook group that price have reached its final target or projection, and we're buying all this, So right now, price, we are seeing a bit of a price correction on the daily. So this is what I'm looking at. First of all, even if you should draw a fib retracement on this pair right now, pick it from this low to this high, you notice that this point here is our 50% retracement level. That point there. So right now we are seeing a bit of a flag formation there. So this is what I'm expecting from this trade right away. Either price will push down to this to complete this 50% retracement, then go up, or we may see something like this, a break above, consolidation, then we buy here within this zone and it keeps moving up. And apart from that, if we check out our pivot levels, you can see price is still above the pivot PP, so I'm still bullish on this pair, you know. So we are bullish. I'm still bullish on this pair right away. So our next pair we are looking at is AUD USD. Oh, little mistake. AUD USD. Alright. Down here we were bearish. I said price will move from this level back down and bounce or fall back here, but price moved a little bit sideways. You know, we had this here, that's why I had this trend line, but at the end of the day price still broke down and come back to this level and came back to this level. So what I'm looking for some bearish impulse right away. If we should look at this, we will realize that price is already at PP, so I'm just waiting for price confirmation right now. I'm waiting for price confirmation. So what I'm expecting price to do from here is either price will keep pushing down sidewaysly before moving up, or price can just move up. So these are the two scenarios I'm looking at on this pair, on AUD USD. So let's look at the Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Alright, Euro NZD, we were also bullish on this pair. We were buying all this. If you look at the reviews of last month of April, you see this signal. I said you would buy all the way. So price have reached the resistance level up here. Price have reached the resistance level up there. So now I'm expecting price to, you know, find its way down. If we look at this clearly, you see price is at R2 of the PP. Price is at R2, and I'm expecting it to come down, you know, come back down here. So this is what we are looking at. To join this trade right now, if you want to join this trade now, you have to go to the lower time frame, let's say the 4-hour time frame, and wait for price breakdown of this zone. You know, wait for price to break down. The market structure is still valid. We are still bearish. Market structure is still bearish. So we wait for price to break down, correct, maybe form a flag wedge, then you join it all down, or price may still make a one more move to this upside, then finally come down. So that are my expectation on this Euro NZD. And BTC, I don't think BTC went well for us. That's why I don't really like trading the cryptos. The technical structures are not really concrete. So you see what happened. We had this ascending channel from last month, and projection was that price may consolidate at what it's doing now, then fall back down to the channel support, but that didn't happen. So that is one trade that I lost last month, but I've learned a lot. So for this month, I'm not trading cryptocurrencies for this month, and the market is a little bit strange at the moment, so I'm not going to jump in there. So let's move to NZD Swiss francs. Our projection on this pair last month was bearish. We were bearish. I can still remember price was here, and I said price will maybe consolidate, then move all the way down, and price did just that, breakdown of this daily range here, and price is now at our support, which was our target. So right now we are looking for bearish impulse from this zone. Then I'm expecting price to move all back up again. So to join this trade, you have to go to the lower time frame. You have to go to the lower time frame and look for bullish price actions, and you join the trade. So for this month, I have just two pairs to dash out. Dish out. And first is the USD Swiss francs, and this pair I dropped this signal already on our Facebook page and group that price is going to come all the way down. And when I did that, that was a couple of weeks ago. When I did that, price was here, and I said sell from here down, or you wait for price to touch the top here, and come back down. So price didn't go up, rather price came all the way down, and right now price is still moving down. Price is still moving down. So what I'm expecting from this page, that either price will keep going down and touch this support trend line here, support here, consolidate like this, maybe a bit of price consolidation and breakdown, or price may come reach here, reject, go back up, then come back down again. So those are the scenarios I'm looking at on this pair. So, and the next one is a euro dollar. Now if you look at this market structure here on the euro dollar, it's very, very clear that market is not that trending. Market is moving on a sideways manner. Now this is the weekly. You can see what market price is doing. It's moving down, and from from November 2018, price have not really made a major move. It's just moving slowly. And this is another thing I'm observing. If you look at this week candlestick chart, today is Friday. If this week candle closes as a hammer, bullish hammer, it's a good sign that next week or weeks from now, the euro dollar will rally up like very, very hard, and the dollar will be weak. So going back down to the daily, this is a chart formation happening here. This is a falling wedge here. You can see it's happening. And yesterday, Thursday, we had a very strong signal. That is, we had lots of buyers. They drive the price all the way up and closed it above the 1.117 zone. So what I'm looking at in weeks to come is for price to maybe break up. We have a correction, then I will join the trend all the way up here, or where I see price coming back down here, and this will be a good area to take in your entries to start looking for buy opportunities from here, and price will move all the way up. Remember, price never moves in a straight line. It moves in waves. So whatever you are doing, always make sure you leave room for swings, because market will really always make a swing. So always make sure swings will happen. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And click on the little bell so that you get notifications on any video I post. And also click the links below this video to access my beginners course on the Facebook group, and also you can join the Pro Traders course. If you are interested, all you need to do is WhatsApp me, you chat me via WhatsApp, and everything will be set. Thank you.